Welcome everyone. Today marks the beginning into the world of DynamoDB. First things first, let's get familiar with the DynamoDB console. Now, if you have ever used AWS, you know it can be a bit like entering a massive department store. But don't worry, today we are heading straight for the DynamoDB section. Once you are logged into the AWS Management Console, simply type DynamoDB into the search bar at the top and click on the service when it appears. This brings you to the DynamoDB dashboard. Here you will see several tabs like tables, explore items, backups, exports to S3, integrations, settings, etc. For now, let's focus on the tables tab because today you are going to create your very first DynamoDB table. But hold on, what is a table? Think of a table like a well organized filing cabinet. Each drawer in the cabinet is dedicated to a specific category. One for bank transactions, another for contracts, and yet another for identification documents. When you need to find a contract, you simply open the drawer labeled contracts and instantly access what you are looking for without any confusion. In the world of databases, a table works the same way. It's a structured space where similar types of data are stored together. Now imagine you are developing a software for online bookstore. To keep everything organized, we maintain several tables. Books table, transactions table, and users table. The entire structure is referred to as a table. In this case, the books table is where you store all the information related to books. Each row within the table is an item. An item represents a single entry in a table. For example, the row containing "to kill a mockingbird" is an item that holds all the details about that specific book. Every item is like a specific file in your cabinet. Each column in the table is called an attribute. An attribute defines a specific type of information stored in the table. For instance, the author attribute contains the names of the authors of the books. Other attributes in the books table include title, genre, price, and ISBN. These attributes describe different aspects of each item. Now that we have covered the basics of what a table is, let's move ahead and create our first table, which we will name books. As we set up the table, we will need to fill in two important details. First one is the partition key. This is a required field and plays a crucial role. And secondly, it's the sort key. This field is optional. To better understand these two terms, it's important that we first discuss the concept of primary key. We will cover that in the next video. See you then.